Hey friends, happy April. This is a quick video showing a flip through of what my April planner setup looks like. I apologize if there's any weird background noise. Of course, as I hit record, my furnace decided to kick on and the vent is really close by my desk setup. But moving forward, I set up my month using Cocoa Daisy. This month's collection is called Poppy Fields. I subscribe to the Daisy Weeks sticker kit, calendar sticker kit, and then also add on the Daisy Day planner stickers to set up because I use a warehouse, like it's older dated. The dates are for 2019, but it was in my stash when I needed a planner, and so that's what I am using right now. I have already ordered my next one because this one will be done in June, and so academic year I grabbed that one. I believe the pre-sale for the regular year goes live in the fall. So I'll link it to workbook in the description below so you can check that out. This is my monthly spread. That's what I use my calendar pages or stickers for, and some decorating. So we'll just quickly flip through. Not a lot going on this month. Oh, I also use the free printables. This month I did something a little bit different and I ran them through my Xyron, and so they're stickers. You could just as easily print the printables on sticker paper if you have that as well. So monthly view, mostly the same elements as months in the past. I moved my this month box up here for April because that's where the free space was. I added my April goals box down here. Both of these came from the week's paper or sheet as well. So did this cute little marble deco box, and then these two are both free printables. I'm gonna keep better track of my active minutes this month because I kind of fell off and I need the encouragement to keep me accountable. I also always add this little section. This next month sticker comes from the Daisy Day sheet, and I just do any kind of notes for dates that I need to keep in mind for the coming month. And that's pretty straightforward. One thing I really love about Get to Workbook is that she includes the full week at the beginning and end of the month. So this month starts on Thursday. She also included Monday through Wednesday. This month, because I am redating it for 2021 versus 2019, I have this extra space right here, and I am going to use it for some note taking and lists. I keep track of my social media calendar and our junk journal through 2021 challenges, which I'll fill in right here. And then this gets into our week. One thing that I started last month is using thinner washi to separate the top and bottom, and then I use this for notating our meals. I still do my meal plan for the week and then add each one into there. I also did, so because half of the week was in March and we did our grocery shopping for this week in March, I did all of our meals right there and then listed out all my groceries right there. And again, this is my sole planner, and so it goes with me everywhere, including to the grocery store. So if it looks a little beat up, that's because it's been going with me most days, or anytime I leave the house the last 10 months. Anything of note that stands out? Not. Oh, these little stickers up here. are from PMD Stickers. These come in a US holidays set, and then I had ordered these custom from her, no school. I also have some other ones that are coming with other things like book club and junk journaling stuff, which you'll see at a later date. The second week of April, again, we don't have much going on besides a wedding, minimal decoration. This month I'm trying something new. I use the meal plan stickers from here, from the Daisy Day collection, and then I layered them on top of some of the printable labels. So that's what this looks like. I think this one was a banner instead of a label. And I just accented with these little poppy chains. Again, we'll probably get more decorations as the month goes on. Week 3, very plain. Week 4, this is another one of the printables, and my LTP checklist, Earth Day, and then, so this is why this was in a warehouse sale. This is a misprint, so I'll actually end the rest of April on the first week of May. So, and it'll work out just fine. I already tested when I was setting up. And so, I originally was going to put my notes section back here, but I have some stuff going on, so I put in a huge tracker for this month, and the goal is to get this filled out. I just used the grid pattern and the washi. This blue washi is actually from Poppy Fields, and then these other 3 are just from my stash, and they seem to match pretty well, and so I went with it, and that is it for my setup. Very quick, very to the point, and then it's just waiting for some pin from me, not from my kids. So yeah, I hope that was inspiring for you to get an idea on how you could use Cocoa Daisy products in your Get to Work book, or in any planner that you might have sitting around in your stash that isn't the correct dates. Cocoa Daisy has a lot of different options. These are just the ones that work for me. Oh, side note, this is from the kit as well, and I'm just using it as a page marker to help me flip to the actual day. So I hope you have a great April, and I hope you're inspired to start decorating your planners. Have a great day. Bye.